Good morning, friends. Once again, I am here in front of you with a new chapter, Mispronounced Word Part 2. दोस्तों, जब हम किसी शब्द को गलत उच्चारित कर देते हैं दोस्तों, तो हम अपने लोगों के बीच में, अपने सहयोगियों के बीच में, कई बार पब्लिक प्लेस में हम हंसी का पात्र हो जाते हैं. we become a laughing stock, but I don't want you to face that embarrassing moment, friends. That's why I have brought one chapter for you, and I hope that you will see the video, you will watch the video completely and learn all the words with correct pronunciation. Okay, let's go. The first one is cupboard. Which is the first one? Look at the screen. The first one is cupboard. Spelling is totally different. So many times we do not get the pronunciation according to the spelling. The spelling is C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, but the pronunciation is कबर्ड. एंड कबर्ड मीन्स ऐसी अलमारी जिसमें दरवाजे लगे हों और जहां हम अपने कपड़ों को रखते हैं. एंड अलमरा वेयर वी पुट आवर क्लोथ्स और ड्रेसेस और कॉस्ट्यूम एक्सेट्रा, दैट इज कॉल्ड कबर्ड. ओके, आई होप you will pronounce in a much better way now. And the second one is, look at the screen, the second one is debut. What is the spelling? D-E-B-U-T, but the pronunciation is debut. A debut means किसी अभिनेता, खिलाड़ी आदि का जनता के सामने प्रथम प्रदर्शन. जनता के सामने प्रथम प्रदर्शन. You know, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan made his debut cinema in 1969 and the name is Saat Hindustani. Similarly, Sachin Tendulkar made his debut international cricket match in 1989. The debut means किसी अभिनेता, खिलाड़ी आदि का जनता के सामने प्रथम प्रदर्शन. I also remember my debut speech in my school. You remember? Did you ever deliver speech? If you did, please remember your debut. Okay, the next one, friends, the next one is debris. Do not pronounce debris, and debris means malba. किसी भवन का, किसी बिल्डिंग का हिस्सा जो टूट गया रहता है, उसके छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स, फ्रैगमेंट्स. ऐसे ही जब तूफान के बाद, साइक्लोन के बाद, चक्रवाती तूफान के बाद, आपको याद होगा बीच में हमने सुनामी झेला था, उसके बाद ढेर सारे सी बीचेस पर हमने देखा ढेर सारे डेब्री, मलबा. तो इन सभी चीज़ों को हम कहते हैं डेब्री, मलबा. डू नॉट से डेब्रीज. Okay, debris. And the next one, friends, quite common word and people commonly mistake. They pronounce facial. No, don't say facial, it is facial. Facial. And for your comfort, I have given you that pronunciation in Hindi as well, so that you could speak in a much better way. That is facial. Okay, facial. Do not say facial. And the next one, the fifth one is definitely. Definitely, निश्चित तौर पर. And I'm quite sure if you remember, if you pronounce all these words today, you are going to learn in public place in front of your friends. Definitely you can draw their attention. I hope so. The next one, friends, the next one is, sixth one is epitome. Epitome. Spelling is E-P-I-T-O-M-E. And epitome means किसी बात का आदर्श उदाहरण. मित्रों, हम में से बहुत से लोगों को आजकल हम देखते हैं, अनुभव करते हैं कि हम वेस्टर्न कल्चर की तरफ ज़्यादा आकर्षित हो रहे हैं. हम अपने ही इंडियन, वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट कल्चर इन द वर्ल्ड, हम ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दे रहे हैं. हमको लगता है कि वेस्टर्न कल्चर ही हमें ज़्यादा हाईलाइट करता है. बट दोस्तों, हम भ्रम में हैं. We people do not give importance to our own culture, but the foreigners, they are so much fascinated with Indian culture and they are getting married following Indian culture, and this couple also did the same thing. They got married following Indian culture and they became epitome of Indian culture. Adarsh Udaharan. I hope that gradually we people will also properly give importance to our own culture. The next one, friends, flautist. Flautist, one who plays flute. Don't say flutist, it is flautist. The pronunciation is written here for your comfort in Hindi as well. It is called flautist. Okay, and the next one, friends, it is spelling is totally different and the pronunciation is not according to the spelling. The spelling is F-A-U-X-P-A-S, but the pronunciation is faux pas. Faux pas. Faux pas means sharmanak kaam, ashishtata. So you must have seen so many times inside our parliament, our elected members start fighting and it is telecast live and really it is a faux pas. The same thing happened in the parliament, but I don't want to tell you which country. Elected members started fighting publicly and it was a matter of sharmanak kaam, that is called faux pas. It was a faux pas. Sometimes we brothers and sisters also fight, but inside our houses, but we fight publicly, then it is a faux pas. Sharmanak kaam, ashishtata, abhadrata. The next one, wow, so lovely. But the pronunciation, what people pronounce, I have heard so many kinds of pronunciation. Mostly I hear Pomeranian. No, it is not Pomeranian. The name of this dog, it is Pomeranian. Pomeranian. Don't call Pomeranian. Pomeranian. And once again, you will get all the pronunciation in Hindi so that you could speak in a much better way. What is the pronunciation? Pomeranian. Okay? And now you tell your friends, your family members, if you have that pet in your house, the name of that dog is Pomeranian. Okay? And the next one, friends, almond. Do you eat almond? Don't say almond. Almond. L is here mute. Almond. And if you eat almond, it increases your memory. I hope you are going to eat almonds every day so that you can learn the right pronunciation. Okay, friends, let's go ahead. The next one is Wednesday. Don't say Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Wednesday. You can easily pronounce reading this line Wednesday. It is Wednesday today. In Hindi, आज बुधवार है. Wednesday. Okay? Don't say Wednesday. It is Wednesday. The next one, people commonly mistake here when we talk about one single lady, it is called woman. Woman. Okay? The spelling is W-O-M-A-N and plural, the pronunciation is women. 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 Okay? Singular, woman and plural, women. Okay, let's go ahead. And the next one is jewelry. People speak jewelry. No, jewelry. Jewelry means abhushan, as jewelries, ornaments enhance our beauty. Similarly, the words you are going to learn with correct pronunciation will enhance your confidence, friends. The jewelry. Okay, the next one is quite common word. People always say pizza, not pizza. It is pizza or pizza. Pizza or pizza. Don't say pizza. It is pizza or pizza. And the last but not least, what we learned today? We learned pronunciation, not pronunciation. It is pronunciation. Pronunciation, ucharan. If you speak these words with right pronunciation, friends, I am sure you will attract the people towards you. And I hope that these words will be definitely quite useful for you. And I hope one more thing, that you are going to share this video to all your friends so that they could also pronounce this word in proper way. So friends, today with correct pronunciation, I am going to stop this video here, and you please keep on watching my videos, subscribe, like, and do not forget to send me message. I am waiting for your valuable message, friends. Bye. Jai Hind.